Hey guys, Ted Bowditch here. I'm going to do a quick tutorial how you can make thumbnails using Canva.com. It's a free editing platform and it works for me for now. So if you want to start making thumbnails for free, you can go here. And I have this up for some reason, but you go to the website and you just scroll down and it will get you to where it says just keep scrolling down, YouTube thumbnail, and you want to click on that. And right now it has this picture in it, but I can change that picture out. Let's see. I have found a picture I wanted to put because I'm going to use this picture on the thumbnail. I went to Google and searched royalty-free pictures of thumb stuff. I'm going to use this one. I think it's funny. So we'll just save this image as. Save. You find a picture that you like and you pick that. We'll go back to the thumbnail. Go to uploads. And you're going to upload the image. I think it went to my pictures. Save pictures is where I have it. Just takes a few seconds to upload. If I put the picture in here, there's probably an easier way to do this. This is just a quick way that I did it, that I'm doing it. This is just something to get you started. There's probably better tutorials. I just wanted to show you a way that I did mine real quick. So I have this picture, and you want to go to, for the thumbnail, you want to put whatever text you want in there. I'm going to put add heading, and here I'm just going to type what I want. Make this bigger. You can also move this around, but I'm just going to go to text. Delete this. I'm going to type in how to make a thumbnail for YouTube videos. I'll probably change the title, but this is just to show you what you can do. Let's see here. I'm going to move this text, delete this, delete that, and just take that out of there. Take this picture out of there. Like I said, there's probably a lot faster way, but this is just a quick tutorial on the things you can do with Canva. How to make a thumbnail for your YouTube videos. And I'm going to put for free. I'm going to upload this to but I'm just typing in the title right now. For YouTube videos for free. Fast and easy 2019. Oops. Let's fix this here. Alright. So I'm just going to have it like that. And I can change, in the thumbnail you can change how you want the text. There's a bunch of different types. I'm just trying to do something funny. I don't know, I just think it'd be fun to do something funny. For some reason it didn't do it all like that, so we'll make it all like that. And then if I want to change the color of the text, you can go right here. Need something to go that works for that. Alright, so they have certain different colors. Like this is an experimental one. I'm just making this real fast, but I think you get the gist of it. And I'm not sure where I want this. Let's put it like that. Trying to find a good color that stands out. Okay, well I'm just going with black for that. Like I said, this is just something new that I'm trying, but Canva's free. There's a lot of things you can do with it. You can add a heading, and the heading will always appear here. Subheading will be a little one, and then the text will be, the little bit of body text will be right here, so you can add a bunch of different things. But this is just something I wanted to make real quick. And like I said, you can find pictures on Google. What I do is I find royalty-free pictures for now. This is just a simple way, if you're a beginner, to get started to making thumbnails quick. I want to go learn more in depth, and there's better tutorials for that. This is just one I just want to make super quick here. So what I'll do is, you download the file, and Canva's gonna try to sell you the pro version. That's something you can do if you choose to, but you can just continue editing, and the file will be downloaded, and all you have to do is upload it to your YouTube channel, which I can show you how to do that too real quick. So when you go to your channel, you can do this before you put a video up. I'm just showing you how to do it when you already have a video up. You're going to want to, so you go to edit video, and then when you go to the edit video part, you can just click right here to, it'll say to add a thumbnail. Don't mind this, this is just some program I have that won't work for that. But you just click right here and you can upload the thumbnail, and it takes maybe a minute or two before the thumbnail will show up if the video is already published. But if not, there's an option when you upload a video to create a thumbnail after you put in your description and everything like that. I hope you guys found this this tutorial helpful. Like I said, it's kind of real basic, but if you just want to learn how to make something real quick, Canva is a free online studio that you can use. You don't have to pay for it, and it's better, if you don't have money to do like Adobe Shop or Photoshop, then Canva is a way to go. There's also some other ones, but this is the one I'm using right now, and I just want to share this with you. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and have a great day.